So, what's in the box?
What's in the box?
You probably know from the thumbnail, but hang around, we're gonna open this box up and find out exactly what kind of neat little toy we got in here. Stick around. Welcome aboard. I'm Ricky from RV Underway. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and love learning more about it, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click the thumbs up if you like this video. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is available. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Also share our videos. We certainly would appreciate it. Now, what's in the box? Well, it came in the mail about 2 weeks ago. I'm pretty excited about it. My friend Russ over at the Roads We Roam kind of piqued my interest, and I had to order one. The box is kind of unassuming. It says strong magnet silver. And from the thumbnail, you probably know what it is. So let's go ahead and find out what's in the box. We've got an eyelet, and we've got a two-sided 1,200-pound heavy-duty magnet. And here in just a couple of minutes, I'm gonna go pick up my friend Mike. We're gonna go out on Choctawhatchee Bay at the boat ramp here at Mid-Bay Shores, down at the fishing pier, where the fish cleaning station is. And we're gonna see what kind of treasures we can find. It also came with a 20-foot locking lanyard. So let's go ahead and get Mike and go down there and do some magnet fishing.
Let me ask you this, Rick.
Yeah.
How many times have you been magnet fishing?
I ain't never been magnet fishing. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
You ever been magnet fishing, Miss Barbara?
No, I'd rather walk. But I'll go down half a mile and I'll meet up with you guys and see what you've got in the time it takes me to walk a half mile. I'll check on you.
That time we ought to have them all filleted out and ready to eat, don't you think?
Well, do you have any idea how to fillet a magnet fish?
I have no idea. We just have to kind of wing it.
Little fishing pier down here next to the boat ramp over there. Got a fish cleaning station right here. So maybe they've dropped stuff off in there. Got a little crab visiting right there. I don't think we should go in that section right there. And Michael has already, how many you caught already?
I caught two, but I can't identify them.
Oh.
So I threw them back.
How do you know when you got a bite? Get a little tug on it like normal?
An alligator, he'll tug back.
All right. Damn, this is exciting.
We haven't much to eat of what we're catching right now.
We'll have to get some Vienna sausages. We ain't having much luck catching them magnet fish.
Almost only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades. Three.
There you go. Coasters can count to 3. Settles a bit up.
Is that a purple worm? Oh yeah, purple's a killer bait. Yeah, you gotta have purple. I don't know. I just said that.
Knock the dust off. I believe that's where you're gonna find all the big ones is underneath the pier.
That's pretty light to hang out. Uh-oh, son. Oh no, it come off. Oh no.
You got away?
It was big too. Can't believe it.
You didn't set the hook.
I didn't.
I'm sorry you didn't set the magnet.
I did. I was doing some Christmas. It's old too. Check that out.
It ain't old.
Check that out.
Part of the treasure.
I had a whole they come. That sounds good. That's probably made.
Oh, have mercy. Now we're getting into the good stuff.
That's a nail fish.
Now we're getting into the good stuff. Treasure. We're getting close to that cup of coffee. You got $2?
I think it's gone up since we've been here. 2.5 now.
Old Messy Creek where I lost my phone about 3 months ago.
Set to hook.
Jerk this out of his mouth. You can't. Got the lure in his hand.
Oh,
You can't go. It's a concrete cinder block. You can't use the zip.
may not. Your turn. I got another mail.
Oh, yeah! Yeah!
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
We have found the honey pot. The mother lode. We have found the mother lode.
Oh, yeah. That's the spot back there. That's the honey hole.
That's right. Upset the drag.
Oh, you got a hook. Treble hook. Boy, I'll tell you, you gotta be spot on with that thing when you. There's a hose over here. I can't reach it. Here. Now, if we catch a big one, you can probably claim it. You're gonna say, well, I made that cast.
That's right.
Gotta be my fish. I mean, my magnet. Look at that, them people got their own little private beach over there.
Sure. Yeah.
They don't have much for the lawn though.
Truck a little sand in there. No, they were obviously working. Either that or they won't beach all the way from the back door to the water.
Oh, yeah. Is that the alligator? Just a fish? Probably. Oh, is there a porpoise out there? Oh. No wonder we're not catching anything. Porpoise
Yeah.
got them all scared away.
That's right.
Must be after a mullet. My line got fouled.
You got it fouled.
It's no wonder I can't catch anything. My line's fouled. There we go. All right.
Oh, you have fouled the line again.
I know where that thing is.
Ain't far enough.
It's right there. All this championship action here.
It's too
Wearing me
exciting.
out. It's your turn.
Too exciting. All right, I'm gonna find me. I'm gonna catch some. Back when you made out of 10.
Oh, you did.
Okay, got it.
You did catch something. Another one of those unidentifiable ones. Off the top of a school can.
Treasure. Like the lip off a oil filter or something. God, I don't know what that black stuff is.
Hey, now you gotta let it sink to the bottom.
That don't take it very long.
Yeah, about 1/10 of a second.
Yeah.
Pretty shallow here. Oh.
Yay.
Oh, you found a blade off an old fillet knife.
Find a knife.
There you go. You are the man.
We gonna eat good today. If we catch something, we can fillet it now. Here's our treasure so far. We're gonna start with the inexpensive items and move up to the really, really expensive treasures.
It's a really primo treasure.
We found a little weighted hook. Found a tri-hook. Now that's a fairly straight looking nail. I'll probably use that again. This one, going to have to straighten it out.
Yeah, you think?
This is, looks like it's part of an old Skoal or Copenhagen can.
Yeah.
And here you go right here now.
That's a treasure right there.
That's tetanus waiting to happen. Right there. But all I gotta do is get me a handle and I got me a steak knife.
You know you promised dinner, so you've got to provide the meat.
Yeah, well, just look, just don't put that hamburger back in the freezer.
Okay,
Show y'all.
it's a deal.
Look at him.
Knife blade.
And anybody that's not impressed with that, they could come and fish. We hadn't even seen the alligator.
I actually know exactly what I wore the day I went to boot camp. I still remember. I had a pair of dingo boots. Remember dingo boots?
Oh yeah.
Had a little ring on the side.
Yeah.
Square toe.
Yep.
A pair of Levi, big bell bottoms. And I mean, they almost covered my whole foot up.
The Navy didn't have nothing on you with their dungarees,
Nope.
did they?
And a Marshall Tucker, Fire on the Mountain.
Oh, how fun.
That's right.
Marshall Tucker Fire on the Mountain t-shirt and a ball cap, snapper, I think, lawnmower ball cap. Whoa!
I think we
Nice
all.
throw.
I think we all had wore our fair share of bell boxes. I did back in the '70s. I know I did.
And they had two boxes.
They covered my feet completely.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Whiter
two
the
boxes. One box went to Goodwill. The other box you ship it home. It cost you, I don't know, a couple of bucks. So if you had clothing items you wanted to ship home, you put them in one box. If you wanted, and so I gave everything to Goodwill, including the dingo boots, and I put the Marshall Tucker t-shirt.
That was way too valuable.
No, way too bad.
That was my Marshall Tucker t-shirt. Come on now.
That's funny. All right, well, I think we're gonna finish our steps. We just had to come check and see if we needed to pull something out for supper.
Well, you see what we got. I wouldn't worry too much about it. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Look
Got
at
a bite,
it. Uh-oh.
and it's big.
It ain't moving. It's big.
Oh.
It's a big one. Should have set the hook, or should I just let him take
I
it?
wouldn't set it. You got to lure them in. You can't set the hook. You jerk it out of your mouth.
2,000-pound magnet slid right over it.
Out of its mouth. Well, that generally what happens with a concrete cinder block. It's got no metal.
Boy, it gave me a fight, though. My goodness. It gave me a fight.
We
Put
thought-
up a tussle.
We thought we was got time in the chair.
He took all my bait.
That's fun, guys.
And he's going right back where he was. We'll try that one again. Y'all want to take these up there and go ahead and start cleaning them?
No, we don't clean, we just cook.
Okay. Oh, you lost him. You see him jump off the line?
I think I'm mud. I give up.
You just gonna go hungry.
Apparently.
I'm gonna go get him.
Apparently I am. All right. There you are.
I know where he is.
Oh, nice cast. Whoa, they're shooting at us.
And set off one of them Moabs over there. Mother of all bombs. Tell me I ain't no magnet fisherman. That's a leather man there. That's good as brown spanking new. Some fella left here thinking, damn it, I have lost my leather. And if I'm not mistaken, those things when they new, they cost about 39, 40 bucks.
Yeah. Like I say, I think if you can identify that as a true leatherman and send it back to them, they're gonna either fix it up for you or give you a new one. I think they're gonna probably just give you a new one.
I'd say that was a treasure right there. Yes, sir. And that was the little one. The big one got away.
Oh my goodness. It's an old crab trap. Yes, indeed. But that's the fine one there. We probably refurbished that too. We caught the crab trap. We just didn't catch the crab that was supposed to be in it. But now, if you can read this, that says Gerber. This is a high dollar. Let's see if you can see it here. This is a high dollar piece of equipment right here.
I do believe we figured out what our problem is. You got to know the right time of day to go magnet fishing, because they're biting early in the morning, just at dawn, and you catch them just at dusk. So we gonna probably come back at dusk, or maybe not.
All right,
That's where he's at.
there you go. Reel him in. Let's get right on the spot too.
This is it. This is where we're gonna get the big treasure.
You're
Right?
definitely a better magnet fisherman than I am.
There it is, our last throw. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna check out exactly what we caught today.
Now, I'm gonna tell you something about his blade. Now, this says Winco, stainless steel, China. Whoa, you know them Chinese are lying to us again? Because stainless steel is not magnetic. So,
And it's also got corrosion and rust on it.
yeah, I mean, so they lied to us. I think we should take them to court and sue over this because we thought we had a true treasure.
That's a whole nother video.
And it's just Chinese junk.
That video's coming.
All right, Mike, what do we got here? This is our haul for today.
Yeah. Got us one of the finest multi-tools I've ever seen, a Gerber.
Gerber.
It doesn't get much better than Gerber. Of course, this has seen its day.
It does get better than this Gerber.
But look, pliers still work.
Let's see if all the blades are still intact. Now this side is missing all the blades. They've already corroded or rusted or something off. And no, there we got the screwdriver and the can opener.
And you got the saw blade over here.
And we do have the saw blade, and we got the pliers on the plier end of it.
Well, yeah, that's still useful
Absolutely.
to the Chinese. maybe.
Absolutely. My wife would love for me to bring this home. She would actually, I'll wipe this down a little bit. I ain't gonna clean it up much more than this. Wipe it down, just toss it right in the drawer with the knives and forks, and she'd be so happy with that. And as Michael already explained, we got the Weston, Winco.
Winco.
The Winco. Oh, there's tetanus shot.
Oh, there's one sharp blade there.
Look at here. That's one that you fished up. Look at
Yeah,
that. Ain't even got no rust on it.
You know, that's still a very good nail. You straighten that out. I mean, that's galvanized, coated galvanized right there.
There's another one.
It's
Galvanized.
These babies have still got, they still got life in them.
That's right.
I think this one maybe, I have a hard time driving this, unless you was going to drive it into whipped cream. Then you might be able to do it. I don't think it's going to go into wood.
We got the fish hook. I would actually have thought we'd have got a lot more of these today. You would think there'd just be a whole slew of these.
A plethora.
But we did find two.
Good old treble hook. Nothing wrong with that.
Got a treble hook.
Put a little squid on there, we'd catch us a catfish.
Yeah, and it's still sharp. And of course we got this.
You don't know what it is? Just name it when you get home.
That's right. Oh no, this ain't going home.
Oh, not going.
No, these will go, with the exception of the Gerber, actually it's going in the trash too. It's all going in the trash. But there you have it. Our first excursion with magnet fishing. And I like to admit it was something different to do. And I'll do it again. I'll try it at the lake. And if you find piers and boat docks and boat ramps and places that are frequented more often, you probably find a lot more junk. But it was kind of fun.
It was awful fun, and you know, we feel good about this because we did our part to clean up the environment. That just gives you a warm, fuzzy feeling. Man, look at that. Doesn't get much better than that.
Oh, we forgot.
The crab trap, yeah, the crab.
Yeah,
Okay, that's wrap. That is wrap. So anyway, there they are. There you have it.
So tune in again next time for another exciting venture of magnet fishing.
And remember, dawn and dusk. That's the two best times.
Best time. We came a little late this morning.
Yeah, we came late. And it's also drizzling. You can't come out and magnet fish on a drizzly day because they just won't bite.
Now all that stuff caught onto here, and I can't get it loose.
I'm gonna go wash it off at the.
This is a 2,000-pound magnet here.